I'm so excited right now. Two of my Amazon packages came, the delivery came. And for those who are wondering, yes, Amazon is shipping to Jamaica. All right, so let's see. I'm doing my unboxing. Exciting. I don't know what's in. Whoa, it's more than one things in this box. Lordy, lordy. Wait, let me show you now. Alright. Whoa! Excitable. Alright. So these are bath gloves. If you're not using bath gloves, I suggest you do. And everything that I show you today, you can check the link in my description or in my bio and check the self-care section of my Amazon store. So these are the bath gloves. All right. Oh, I got some cable, right? Some phone cables, multi phone cables, so that you can actually charge more than one phone at the same time. Woo, yes, girl. Woohoo! Look at this. So I ordered a travel steamer because you know when you travel and your clothes them crush up. I'm gonna like iron, you know. So I think this would come in handy. The steamer. Let's see, boy. Mighty. Alright. The instructions. Yeah, so this is a steamer. We'll alright. I'll buy some tops. I'm assuming this is one of the tops. So when it's time to wear it, I will do my get ready with me. Alright. Oh, these are some undies, I believe. I think so. Alright. Oh, you know I have to get my head wraps. So I bought a couple different colors of head wraps. I bought my yellow, my green. I already have my red because you know me and the Rasta vibe, the African vibe, red, green, gold and black. So yes, so my head wrap. Alright. For this now. I think this is a top. Not sure. Gonna have to check and then get back to you on that. I think this is another top. Yes. Buying a lot of tops. Ooh, this is my water boots because I want to go to the, sometimes you know you go to the river and you go to the river and the rocks, you know, kind of rocky. So I got one of these river water shoes. Ooh, my tea infuser because you know we have to drink our herbal teas. So this is what it looks like. Alright. Oh, what's this now? I have no idea. Let me check it. Probably a top. But let me check. Yes, it's a top. Alright. Okay, my top. My top. Alright, this is my tarpaulin. I bought a tarpaulin. So this is my tarpaulin. I think that is everything. Alright, so I think that is everything from this box. So excited. Remember, everything that I shared is in my Amazon store. You can either check the self-care section, the kitchen essentials section, or the clothing and accessories section. Alright. Now let's go. Yeah. Alright. Alright. So this now is my stainless steel pan. My stainless steel pan, and I'll be using these for my foot soak. So what you actually do, you put the hot water in there and you just soak your feet. Of course, you're not going to burn off your foot, so you're going to test to make sure that the water is at a temperature that your foot can tolerate. It's really good for your health and wellness routine, your self-care routine. So if you can do one every night and every morning, that would be good, or as often as you can. So you can actually put herbal water, so you can basically add certain herbs to it if you want and stuff like that, and you just put your feet in and you soak your feet, and it's a self-care activity. So of course this is also in the self-care section of my Amazon store, so you can check the link in my bio or in the description. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm going to do my foot soak today. All right, that's it. So I unpacked everything just so that you have an idea of what everything looks like. So this is one of the head wraps. So of course you know the head wrap thing work already. So I have the green, the yellow, and the whatever color this is. So I have this. Excitement. Alright, I have this top. I don't like how it look, but I have to try it on first to see if I like it. But just based on how it look, I don't really like it. But you know, when you try on certain things, it might look different. All right, the top, I had shown you the top already. It's similar to one that I have already, but the one that I have is off white, so I got the black. All right. Oh, another top. Again, it looked really good on the mannequin or on the model, but I have to test if it's the same design and if it looks just as good on me. Kind of looking a little bit big, but let's see. All right, so these are the cables that I was telling you about. So basically you can charge an iPhone. There's a C cable, A cable, I don't even know if I'm saying the right thing, but 4 different kinds of cables. So if you have different kind of phones, but 2 came in the pack, so basically you have 2 of each cable, so you can charge 8 things at a time. All right, these now, let me tell you, these are the bath gloves. I love them. I absolutely love them. It's like when you're bathing with them, it's kind of like exfoliates your body, just make it feel good. Basically, if you don't know about it, you live in, trust me. You just put it on 2. Some persons use 1. I use the 2, and I put the soap in with the water and I just rub down my body. Nice. If your skin feel good when you're done. But what I do, I color coordinate. So I use a certain color for my face and a certain color for my body and so forth. Yeah, so I have a lot. That's why I bought a lot, right? Because I want to use them in that way. I love them. If you don't listen, every woman, even men, need one of it. And then you rub it on your butt. Yeah. Nice. All right, so these are basically the water shoes I was telling you about. You can wear it at the beach or the river. For me, the beach is, I'm grounding at the beach, so I wouldn't need these. But like if you're going at the river where it's rocky and stuff, I need something because of the hypersensitivity of my feet. So I need something, but something very, very light. So I'm going to try these. So yeah, underwears. I don't know what underwear look like. I'm not for open it up for one, right? The tea infuser. So you put this in a cup, a mug or a cup, and you put the herbs in here. You pour the water in here, and then it flows to the cup so that the herbs not in your tea when you're drinking it. So this is also very good. All right, so I put the thing together. So this is the steamer, and you just press the little thing, and this is the measuring cup for the steamer so that you can pour the right amount of water in here. I'm so excited about my little things there. All right, and of course, I see this already. But yes, these are all the stuff that I got from Amazon. Remember, you can get everything that I ordered in my Amazon store. So just check the link in my bio, click the link in my description, and I have different categories. So whether it's for self-care, home essentials, books, all sorts of things. Just check. I'm so excited. I think there are some more things that should come, but when those come, I will do another unboxing. Alrighty, bye.